Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we'll be looking at text to column in Excel. You might have a data that you have extracted from an external source that might come out like this. You have this separated by a comma, this, a comma, and here, a comma, and here. Now this data looks similar, that every column you have here is separated by a comma, and you can take data into Excel and work on it using the text to columns. So let's look at the way we have it in Excel. I have copied and pasted it here in Excel, and I want to separate them to different columns as I have here. One basic function you can use here in Excel is called text to columns, and you can find it on the tab, You must highlight the section you want to work with all the way down, and you come to data tab and pick text to columns. The wizard appears and asks you for two things: delimited data, or you want to use a fixed width data. This delimiter is used when you have character separation, and fixed width is when you have no character separation, but you have each width with a particular fixed length. Okay, but ours has a delimited character using comma, as you can see the data here. So we go to the next here, and we tell it here that look, this data is separated with a comma, and you pick the comma, and you observe here the changes. You go to the next, and each column has been separated into different columns. You can define each characters for each of the column. Is it a text? Is it general? Is it date? Then you can work on, pick the selection, and once you're done, define the location you want to put the data in here by clicking that place, or just pick the the location you want to put the data in, and click on finish. It just separates out for you, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.